Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection. Today we're going to talk about one of the most interesting and valuable coins in the 1981 penny Ireland coin. That could be worth a staggering $9.5 million. Yes, you heard that right. Stay with me until the end, and I'll reveal why this coin has become a treasure worth millions, and how you might just have one in your collection, and full details. Country: Ireland. Period. Republic of Ireland. Heir: 1969. 2000. Currency: Irish pound. Coin type: circulation. Coins denomination: 1 penny. Year: 1980. Composition: bronze. Edge type: smooth shape. Round alignment. Metal: 0 degrees. Weight: g. 3.56 diameter. mm. 20.32 thickness. 1.52. Let's dive into some history first. The 1 penny coin from Ireland is part of the pre-decimal currency system that Ireland used before transitioning to the euro. The penny coin features the iconic image of a hen with chicks, designed by artist Percy Metcalfe. This design became symbolic of Ireland's agricultural roots. But what makes the 1981 penny coin so special? Well, 1980 was a transitional period for Irish coins. There were extremely limited mintages of certain coins due to changing monetary policies. This makes certain coins from that year incredibly rare. And rarity equals value. Here's where it gets interesting. A particular 1980 Ireland 1 penny coin recently made headlines because of its astonishing value at auction. Collectors and historians alike are baffled by its significance. This coin is unique because some 1980 pennies were minted with errors, like double strikes or misaligned designs. These errors make coins highly sought after by collectors. Records suggest that only a handful of 1,981 penny coins were distributed before they were recalled and melted down, making it almost impossible to find one today. Irish coins, especially rare ones, have a dedicated collector base. The story behind the 1980 penny adds to its allure, pushing its value to astronomical levels. Now, the big question: how do you know if you have a $9.5 million penny? Here's what to look for. Check the coin's year. It should clearly read 1980 below the hen and chicks design. Coins in mint or uncirculated condition are more valuable. Scratches and damage can reduce the price, but even a worn 1980 penny can fetch a significant amount. Look for unique features like double strikes, off-center designs, or irregular edges. Some 1980 pennies were struck using incorrect metals, making them stand out when tested. If you find a coin that matches these criteria, it's time to get it appraised by a professional. So, why is this coin worth such an astronomical amount? Let me explain. This coin represents a pivotal moment in Irish currency history. Experts estimate that fewer than 10 coins exist in perfect condition worldwide. When a rare item like this hits the market, wealthy collectors compete, driving up the price. Coins aren't just metal, they carry stories. The mystery and rarity of this penny have captivated collectors globally, making it priceless to the right buyer. If you think you might have this coin, here's what to do. 1. Don't clean it. Cleaning a rare coin can reduce its value significantly. Reach out to a certified numismatist or coin grading service like PCGS or NGC. Store it in a coin capsule or a safe to protect it from damage. Contact reputable auction houses like Heritage Auctions or Stax Bowers to sell it for the best price. Remember, the key is patience. Rare coins take time to sell, but the payout can be life-changing. So, there you have it. The incredible story of the 1980 Ireland 1 penny coin valued at $9.5 million. Could this treasure be hiding in your collection? Check your old coins, and who knows, you might just strike gold, or rather, copper. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about valuable coins, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Old Coin Z Collection. See you in the next video, and happy coin hunting.